I joined Hermeus because I've spent a lot of time thinking about US strategic competition with China. And to me, what is critical to this competition is technology. Ultimately, the US will win or lose based on whether it can leverage companies really at the nexus of commercial innovation and national security. And when I came across Hermeus, I thought, this is a really cool company that's right in that sweet spot. And so I thought, let me roll up my sleeves, get my hands dirty, and really jump in and make a difference. My background is quite diverse. I've spent time deployed overseas as an officer in the US military. I've spent a great deal of time at think tanks looking at really every angle of US strategic competition with China. I've also served at the Pentagon as well. So I hope to leverage all these diverse experiences in my new role here. My primary job here is going to evolve very rapidly as the company is growing at a pretty almost exponential pace. First and foremost, it will be the voice and ears of Hermeus on the ground in DC. I will be our first kind of permanent person in our nation's capital. And a lot of my role will really be trying to understand how can we work most closely with government and develop products that are going to have that kind of national security application. Hypersonics is a really interesting field that the US is dedicating enormous resources to, with a particular focus on offensive strike. But what drew me to Hermeus is that we're looking at hypersonics from a slightly different angle, which is reusable high-speed flight. And this is an area that is really engineering, it's not science. The technology is mature. And there's enormous potential for the US through kind of innovative public-private partnerships to build out a whole new industry and to really jump forward and be a world leader in this space. So to me, hypersonics is interesting because it's an area where the US can really leap ahead, again, in this kind of competition that's unfolding.